Hi everyone. Now let me demonstrate to you. How does the LS400 enable normally open mode? So let's first light up the screen. Press asterisk and hash to enter the system settings mode. Verify administrator password. Press hash to confirm to enter system mode. Press 1 to add users, 2 to delete users, 3 door lock function, 4 to add administrators. Press 3 to enter the door lock function. 1 function settings, 2 music adjustments, 3 language settings, 4 more settings. We press 1 to enter the function settings. 1 turn on normally open mode, 2 turn on two-factor authentication. Press 1 to turn on normally open mode. Setup successful. Normally open mode is on. One thing to note here is that normally open mode fully open. You need to verify the password once. Now let's do it. Normally open mode. The above are all the steps of how to turn on the normally open mode of the LS400.